What's going on, man? We back with another video. So what do you do when it's only 25 degrees outside and you got a dirty truck that needs to be washed? You head over to detail sector. Stay tuned. What's up?
Nice truck, man. Congrats.
Thanks.
Awesome, dude. Alright, so for the wash, $30. If you want tire shine and the door jams, another $10. If you want to put any wax or sealant on, it's $20 for wax or $40 for sealant.
And then that'll do what?
The wax will keep it protected for about 3 months or so. The sealant will keep it protected for about 5 months.
I'll do the 5 months for now and come back like when the weather's better.
That sounds good.
It's cold out there, man.
I know. Alright, cool. So we'll do that then.
So do the the wash and the sealant.
Okay.
How long does that take?
Probably about 40 minutes. Alright, so essentially what we did was just did a basic wash with a sealant, cleaned the wheels with a degreaser, wheel cleaner, hit the wheel wells and all the bottom parts of the car that really get dirty. Once we rinse that off, we start with a rinseless wash to get all the dirt off. As a drying aid, we use the sealant, which is about a 5-month sealant with our weather conditions. If you were to garage the truck, it maybe lasts like 9 months or so, but this sealant will give you about 5 months. You put it on the paint, the trim, the glass, and all the components of the body of the car, so even all the emblems, everything gets sealed so you don't get any of that residue on it. So the truck is protected and it's ready to go.
Appreciate
Have a good one,
it.
dude. See you soon, I'm sure.
Alright, man, we back in the truck. It's still freezing outside, but the truck is all cleaned up. Shout out to Detail Sector. He did a crazy job. Truck looks like brand new. So yeah, about to go and get my day started now. And I will catch y'all in the next video, man. Hit that thumbs up, leave a comment. I'll catch y'all in the next one.